Setting up your Amazon Echo with Wi-Fi is quick and simple, but if your Alexa isn't responding or not connecting, it can be really frustrating. The good news is you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your device step by step so it's online and ready to use without any issues. Start by grabbing your smartphone or tablet with the Amazon Alexa app installed. Open the app and go straight to the Devices tab because this is where everything begins. Inside the Devices section, you'll see a list of all your Alexa devices. Go ahead and select your Echo device, whether it's in your bedroom, kitchen, or living room. If your device shows as offline, don't worry, just tap on it anyway because this is where most people fix the issue. Now here's the important part. You need to put your Echo into setup mode. Press and hold the action button on the device until you see an orange light. That orange light means your device is ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Keep holding the button until the app confirms setup mode is active. Without this step, the connection process will not work properly. Once setup mode is active, tap Continue in the app. You'll now be asked to choose your Wi-Fi network. Select your home network from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Take your time here, because even a small mistake can stop the connection. This is one of the most common issues people run into during setup. After entering the password, give it a moment. Your Echo device is now trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. This can take up to a minute, so don't worry if it's not instant. Just let the process finish without interrupting it. Once the device connects, it's always a good idea to confirm everything is working properly. Just say, "Alexa, are you connected to the internet?" And you should hear a response confirming that it's online and ready to go. This quick check makes sure your setup is complete. If it still doesn't connect, double-check your Wi-Fi password and try putting the device back into setup mode again, then repeat the steps. In most cases, this solves the problem right away. That's it. Your Alexa device should now be connected and working smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech guides. And let me know in the comments if your device connected instantly or if you had any trouble during setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.